The tensile strength readings match the manifest.
Confirmed. The warm-up sequence is stable at entry temperature.
The composite prepregs are transferred into the cleanroom for spectral analysis, ensuring the highest ballistic performance for the Boxer MIV.
A precision laser continuously measures the thickness uniformity and surface roughness, ensuring only the highest grade material is allocated for the Boxer MIV.
The maturing Boxer MIV command module assembly begins. Pre-cut steel alloy panels for process A enter a welding cell.
4 synchronized heavy-duty welding robots begin the crucial first phase, fusing the specialized ballistic steel panels. The thermal image reveals a perfect, uniform cooling profile, essential for the structural integrity of the command module. The high-stress welded steel structural chassis is carefully moved into the thermal stress relief chamber. The
A large-scale laser interferometry system performs a final scan, comparing the geometry against the digital model.
The robotic nozzles maintain precise speed and distance, ensuring the critical film thickness required for the Boxer MIV command module. With the conclusion of Process A,
Here is the signed certificate for the MIV chassis. Process A is officially complete.
Acknowledged. We will proceed with activating the composite zone.
The motorized security gate slides into place, securing the maturing Boxer command module assembly.
Selection. Using specialized non-metallic tools, the workers carefully smooth the composite plies, applying precise force to.
To prepare the Boxer MIV for curing, the carbon fiber components are sealed within a high-temperature vacuum bag.
the assembly of the maturing Boxer MIV demands technicians utilize specialized tools.
The orbital robot lightly scuffs the matte black composite armor, creating a microscopic texture optimized for the final.
The radar absorbent layer is within the specified narrow tolerance. We are good for final assembly.
Lightweight carbon fiber mission system racks are integrated alongside external composite armor panels. A sophisticated coordinate measuring machine probe tracks across the lightweight carbon fiber racks, verifying dimensional accuracy.
Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Watch the clearance on the chassis. We're clear.
The final composite armor panels are secured, completing the maturing Boxer MIV command module.
We are maintaining full operational readiness. The composite racks are absorbing the impact.
All systems green, proceeding as planned.